Alright, so this is a quick tip on Vim if you use Vim as an editor. So this tip helped me a lot, so that's why I'm making this video. Basically, if you open a specific file in Vim and that file is get modified or changed by some other means in the system, by some other application or some other thing, you will be notified inside Vim and the buffer will be reloaded with the change. Okay, I believe I'm explicit enough. Let me show you the demonstration how it works. Okay, so let me spawn up a terminal, move it to a designated place, and let us zoom in so people can see. I have an arbitrary file in my home directory. Let me open this file in Vim. I have opened this file in Vim. Okay, and this file is open, as you can see. Now now if I open another terminal and if I open this same file with some other application, like if I open that file with Emacs, okay, so if I write this, now that same file is open with Emacs, right? So here at the bottom of the file, I'm just giving you a demonstration. Bottom of the file, there is a line. This file is for notification. You can see my cursor is hovering on the last file. I'm going to remove this line. See, I have removed that line. Okay, now I'm saving this file. I saved that file. All right, I saved that file in Emacs. Let me come back to Vim. Okay, so I'm in Vim, and if I stay here a little bit, you'll see look at the bottom of the screen. It detected the file has changed on disk and the buffer is loaded with the change. Let me take you to the bottom of the see, that line is not there. Super useful, right? Thus it will notify that the changes has been made to that particular file on the disk, and the change get loaded in the same buffer where the file was open. Super useful, right? I believe you follow it. Okay, so let me close it, and let me close this. So you see now how does it work? Let me show you. So this is the piece of code which I have inside my .vimmerc. If you go and take a look at my .vimmerc, which is hosted on GitHub under .files repo, so you will find this particular piece of code which is inducted in my vimmerc, which is causing this trigger. It simply says or set auto read, okay, and then it'll call up auto command with the focus gained, buffer enter, cursor hold, okay, with any file, okay, and it will check the time, okay, and it will simply notify it, as you saw in the Vim buffer on the bottom, that file has been changed. Okay, this is the piece of code. If you inducted in your vimmerc and the same file will be changed on the system by some other means, you'll be notified inside Vim that file has been changed on disk. Once that file is saved by the some other means, and the changed file will be reloaded in Vim buffer. Okay, basically the purpose of this particular piece of code is to notify you that the same file which you have opened in Vim buffer get changed by some other means in the system, and it will essentially reload the buffer with changes. Super helpful. right? So if you edit some important file and that file get changed by somehow, uh, by some other means, so you'll be promptly notified and you'll see the changes on the buffer without going out of Vim. Very useful. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.